Just a 3-hour bus journey from Santiago on the central coast of Chile, Valparaiso is a captivating port city and UNESCO World Heritage Site. We explored the city's vibrant streets that are filled with street art, searched for an elusive colony of sea lions, tried some of the 80 varieties of empanadas at Delicias Express, and rode the historic funiculars. Come join us as we explore Valparaiso. Our first stop was to jump on a train and head out to Playa as we had read there was a colony of sea lions living out there. Let's go try and find them.
Hey everyone, we just took a train to Playa and we heard there are lots of sea lions here.
Yeah, so let's go try and find them. Alrighty, so we found the sea lions, and when you get to Playa go past the fish market, and on the other side we found a whole family of sea lions here. Check it out. Are they a family? Do they live in a family? What is the group of sea lions called? I don't know. So we sat there for a while and watched the sea lions frolicking, sleeping, using each other as pillows and fighting. They were so fun to watch. They're so random. They come in from the water after getting a feed, I assume, and then just belly flop in the sand and sleep in the sun. What a life, eh?
Good morning everyone! Today we are going to explore Valparaiso, and right now we are here at Plaza Sotomayor.
Our city tour started at Plaza Sotomayor. If you're staying in the lower part of the city, you'll probably start here as it's right outside the main train station.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what this monument here is, but it's got barbed wire at the front of it and it's guarded by dudes with guns. So whatever is inside this monument must be very important. Maybe it's stuffed with gold.
Some treasures.
Yeah, there's some treasure inside this, I think.
There's also a market in the front of Plaza Sotomayor. I'm not sure if it's permanently here, but there is a market currently right in the middle of Plaza Sotomayor.
Our first stop in Valparaiso tour today, we start at the Concepcion Hill. To get up there, we have to take the funicular up there. So we're here at the train station right now. So we're gonna get up here. Let's go.
Okay, so this funicular was built in 1883, so it's super old. How old's that?
Nearly 200 years. I don't know.
No, it's like 100 and something. 150. It's super old. All the way up there. It's not far actually. It only looks like it's about 50 meters.
And it's free.
It's free. Yeah, this funicular is free. Valparaiso is known for its iconic funiculars, locally called ascensors. One thing you'll be doing a lot of in Valparaiso is going up and down the hills, and the funiculars make it really easy to get from the lower part of the city to the upper part of the city. And to be honest, you'll be spending most of your time in the upper part of the city, as that's where all the beautiful neighborhoods that are filled with street art are located. And to be honest, the lower part of the city is a little bit dirty, a little bit rough around the edges, but it still adds to the charm of the city.
Ascensor Concepcion will give you amazing city views and get you to Cerro Concepcion, a picturesque neighborhood known for its colorful and charming houses, cobblestone streets, and vibrant street art. One of the must-see areas is Templeman Street. Here the houses and walls are brightly painted with murals and is home to the famous "We Are Not Hippies" sign, and that was our next stop. Alrighty, so we're now on Templeman Street, and here is the famous "We Are Not Hippies" sign, which is right behind me. Doop. Next, we randomly stumbled across Galvez Street. You'll do this a lot in Valparaiso, randomly finding really cool places. Here, every inch of the walls is brightly painted in vibrant street art. This was probably one of our favorite spots in the city. And on this street, there is the famous slide stairs in front of Crazy Papa.
So colorful here.
Oh yes, amazing. Muchos colores. It like around the corner. Oh wow, what a cool street.
Oh, look at this. Oh. It looks like Nepal, Tibetan. And
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Wow, what a really cool little passageway here. And we just randomly found this.
Yeah. Crazy Papa.
This is where the slide is. Alright everyone, we have now arrived at the slide stairs. So it's right here opposite Crazy Papa. So if you walk down the little alleyway and find Crazy Papa, you'll be able to try out the slide stairs. So we're going to try it out right now, so let's give it a go. Alright, so I'm walking up the stairs now to try out slide stairs. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's see how it goes. Right, go right to the top. Now I'll look down. Woo. Uh-oh, I'm going to crash into the wall. Oh. Woo. Yeah. The concrete slide is a little wonky and drags you towards the wall, but you gotta try it when you're here. Why walk when you can slide? Alright, so we're absolutely loving Valparaiso so far. It's like an open air art gallery. Everywhere you go there's street art. Every corner you turn there's more street art. Every flat surface basically has street art on it. So if you're into street art, this is absolute heaven for you. I have to say one thing though, the person who owns the spray paint shop must be killing it. They must be living on a mansion right on the top of a hill around here somewhere. Right near Galvez Street, you'll find rainbow stairs. Here, artists have painted the steps in the colors of the rainbow, and the best way to experience it is to walk up it. So even the steps are painted here. That's what I mean, every flat surface has paint on it essentially. It looks absolutely awesome, so vibrant, so colorful. The streets are just a joy to walk through.
And these rainbow stairs go all the way up to the top here. Amazing. We were starting to feel hungry, so we jumped back on Ascensor Concepcion and rode it down to our lunch spot. Alright, so we've come here to Delicias Express, where they specialize in empanadas and they claim to have over 80 varieties. So we're super hungry, so let's give it a try. The advertising was not a lie, there is 80 varieties, 81 in fact. Alrighty, so our empanadas have arrived and we have 3 today. So we have champignon and carne, so mushroom and meat. And this one here is chorizo and cheese. And this one here is very controversial. It is ham, cheese, and pineapple. Roast me in the comments. So let's dig in, we're super hungry. And they've just been deep fried fresh, right? So it's super piping hot. So this will probably burn me. Look at that, very cheesy, very good. Let's give it a try. This is gonna burn me. Oh, that's amazing. The cheese is a little bit salty, and obviously I love that ham, cheese, and pineapple flavor, baby. And then what do we have next?
Chorizo.
This one here is chorizo and cheese. This is gonna be a winner. I don't even need to try this one. That's how confident I am in this one.
Chorizo, cheese.
Oh, it's got tomato in there as well.
Tomato,
oh,
yes, I like
wow. Big mixture. Oh, wow. Amazing, amazing. That's like a pizza in your mouth or something.
Oh.
And then the last one, carne and champignons.
I think that's a classic one, but yeah.
Awesome. These are the best empanadas I've ever had, hands down. So delicious.
Yeah, the restaurant is called Delicias Express.
Alright, we destroyed those empanadas. They were delicious.
When you're in Valparaiso, whether you're after empanadas or not, come here. They have 80 varieties. They have something for everyone. Check this place out.
Alright, so we're about to ride our second Ascensor now. This one's Ascensor Reina Victoria, built in 1902. Let's go. The Ascensor Reina Victoria is one of the iconic funiculars in Valparaiso. It was opened in 1902 and named in honor of Queen Victoria. As the funicular slowly makes its way up the side of the hill, you'll get amazing views of the city, and once at the top you can explore the vibrant Cerro Alegre neighborhood. Alright, so the Reina Victoria funicular costs 100 pesos to ride, which is about 10 cents. So that's super cheap. So not only is it fun to ride, it saves you walking up the stairs. Alright, so at the top of Ascensor Queen Victoria, there's this slide, which I'm going to try out now. Wow. Whoa! You get a lot more speed than what you think.
It's not too surprising in a hilly place like Valparaiso that our next stop was another set of stairs, piano stairs, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It is some stairs with piano keys painted on them. Here is a highly trafficked spot. It's very popular as people like to walk on the stairs and take photos. One thing I like about Valparaiso is all the stairs around town are painted, so the annoying task of walking up and down stairs all day is a little bit more interesting.
Alright, so we're going to take the Artilleria funicular up to a viewpoint, but it's currently not working, so now we've had to walk up the stairs. But it's all good because once again the whole street is filled with beautiful artwork for us to look at on the way up. Making friends, Nat? Alright, so we've finally made it up all the stairs and we're at the viewpoint next to the Artilleria funicular station, and from up here you can see all of Valparaiso. It is amazing, check it out. You can see the whole city across the bay and the docks in front of us. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so we've really enjoyed our time here, wandering and getting lost in the streets, riding the funiculars and checking out the amazing street art. So now we're off to our final stop, Bar La Playa, which is supposed to be the oldest bar in town. Let's go check it out. Bar La Playa had an old-time charm with an eclectic collection of antique items. It was like stepping back in time. And they also had a creepy selection of antique dolls. But we were here to try the paella marina, a seafood soup that is famous in the region. Oh yeah, our dish has arrived. Alright, check this out. This soup is chock full of seafood. Look at that. Mussels, clams, everything. It's just full of seafood. Awesome. Let's dig in. Let's go. Wow, that was super hot. Oh yeah. It's just a clear seafood soup. Very seafoody. If you like seafood, I'm sure you'll like this. Thanks for checking out our video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and stick around and check out one of our other videos in the South American playlist.